Hello everyone, this is Paul. Thank you for watching again. This is the second part of solving single variable expressions. Last time we talked about some simple ones that could be solved using addition and subtraction. Today we're going to work on some that need multiplication and division as well. So if we start with x plus 4 equals 16 minus 5x, what we want to do is we want to get x on one side and a number on the other. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's get rid of the numbers on this side. So we're going to take away the 4 from both sides. And 4 minus 4 gives us a 0, so we're just not going to write anything down there. And we didn't take away any x's, so this is simply x plus 0, or simply x. And since we took away 4 from one side, we have to take it away from the other. And so 16 minus 4 gives us 12. And we didn't change the x's, so that stays the same. So now we have x equals 12 minus 5x. So the next step we want to do is we want to get all the x's on the left side. So let's add 5 x's here to make those disappear. And because we added them over there, we have to add them on this side to keep our equal sign true. And 5x minus 5x is simply 0, but we won't write it down since 0 is just 0. So really, this is just 12 because we didn't add or take away any numbers. So now we have x plus 5 x's, so we have 6 x's now. 5 plus another x gives us 6 x's. And here's where the division comes in. We can divide both sides by a 6. And 6 over 6 is simply 1, and 1 times x is simply x, so we'll go ahead and write that down there. And 12 divided by 6 is really, 12 is the same thing as 2 times 6, and 6 is really the same thing as 1 times 6. So 6 over 6 cancels, and you have x equals 2 over 1, or simply x equals 2. Okay, let's try one more example here. Let's go ahead and do 3x minus 5 equals negative 7x minus 9. So once again, we're going to get the x's on one side and a number on the other. So let's get rid of the number on the left side here. And so we're going to add 5 to make that happen. Positive 5 and a negative 5 gives us 0. And we didn't change the x's, so this is simply 3x. And that's going to be equal to this expression plus the 5 as well, to make it the same. Now negative 9 plus 5 gives us a negative 4. And we didn't change the x's, so this is negative 7x. So now we have a number on this side, but we still have a variable term. So we're going to move this to the other side by adding 7x to both sides. So a positive 7x and a negative 7x gives us 0x. And so we just write down the negative 4 since we didn't change the numbers. So negative 4 is equal to 7x plus 3, so 7 plus 3 gives us 10x, and then we simply divide by 10 on each side to get the x's by themselves, and 10 over 10 is 1, and 1 times x is simply x, and negative 4 over 10 can be written as negative, and then the 4 can be written as 2 times 2, and the 10 can be written as 2 times 5. These 2's cancel, and we are left with x equals negative 2/5. So there you go. That's part 2 of the tutorial. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial and you found it educational. Please go ahead and leave comments if you have any comments to leave on this video. Or if there's any videos you would like me to make on a specific math topic, please let me know. And anyway, thank you for watching my videos. You can see all my videos at learnmathtutorials.com. And as always, have a great day, and if you've enjoyed these videos, please subscribe to my channel.